Hello everyone, good day, especially to my teacher, Miss Jenny Lou. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. I am Jimerl Simoran, BSAA 3 student in University of Cebu main campus. My task for this video is to explain how I derived my answer in my TM325C final examination. Okay, let's begin. For question number 1, Uzumaki Naruto Corporation imported steels with an FOB value of $30,000. How much is the dutable insurance? So, for this question, my answer will be based on the Rule 2 on the dutable insurance that states if the terms of sale are CIF or CIP and no insurance indicated in the invoice, the dutable insurance shall be 2% if general cargo or 4% if dangerous or high risk cargo of the FOB or FCA value. So, in this case, FOB equals $30,000 times 0.02 because imported steels are considered to be a general cargo. So that is why I derived an answer of $600 for this question number 1. So for question number 2, Suzuki Transport imported tires which arrived at the port of Zamboanga with an CFR value of $25,000. The representative presented a commercial invoice indicating the following expenses: freight at $5,000 and insurance at $500. How much is the dutable insurance? So, for this question, my answer will be based on the Rule 1 on the dutable insurance that states if the terms of sale are CIF or CIP, the insurance shall be the amount of actual insurance premium declared in the invoice. So, in this case, the representative presented a commercial invoice that indicates insurance at $500. So that is why my answer is $500. Let's move on to question number 3. Konoha Sports imported forehead protectors which arrived at the port of Surigao with a CFR value of $30,000. A local insurance worth 50,000 pesos was provided. How much is the dutable insurance if the freight is $5,000 and the rate of exchange is 40 pesos per $1? So, my answer for this question is based on the Rule 4 on the dutable insurance that states if the importer provides local or domestic insurance but no certification or official receipt, the dutable insurance shall be whichever is higher between the amount of local or domestic insurance and 2% or 4% of the FOB or FCA value. So in this case, the given is CFR. So in order for us or for me to get the FOB, I need to subtract the CFR, which is the $30,000, to the freight, which is equivalent to $5,000. So FOB equals $25,000 times 0.02 because forehead protectors are considered to be a general cargo. So insurance equals $500. So no certification or official receipt presented. So that's why I need to get the LIP or the local insurance premium. So in order for me to get it, I will going to divide the 50,000 pesos to 40 pesos, which is equivalent to $1,250. So the rule states that which is ever is higher will be the answer. So my answer for this question is $1,250 because siya ang mas higher than sa 500 I mean $500. So next question. Kunua Sports imported forehead protectors which arrived at the port of Surigao with a CFR value of $30,000, a local insurance worth 50,000 pesos, provided together with its certificate and official receipt. How much is the Jotable insurance if the freight is $5,000 and the rate of exchange is 40 pesos per $1? So, in this question, I will be going to base my answer under Rule 3 on the Jotable insurance that states if the importer provides local or domestic insurance, the Jotable insurance shall be the amount of local or domestic insurance provided the importer present certification and official receipt of such insurance. So, naa siya'y certificate and official receipt nga gi-provide. So, ang buhaton na lang ani is to get the local insurance premium in order for me to get the Jotable insurance for this question. So, LIP equals 50,000 pesos divided by 40 pesos per $1. So, I came up with an answer of $1,250, which is again based on the Rule 3 on digitable insurance. So next question. Department of Education imported plastic covers with a CFR value of $20,000. The original GSIS Marine Open Policy was presented amounting to 18,000 pesos. How much is the Jotable insurance if the rate of exchange is 50 pesos per $1 and the freight is $3,000? So, this is based on the Rule 6 on the Jotable insurance, which is all about the GSIS Marine Policy without certificate and official receipt. So, what I did is I divided $18,000 divided by 50 pesos. 18,000 pesos divided by 50 pesos. So, I get the Jotable insurance of $360. Next question. Department of Education imported plastics covers with a CFR value of 25,000 dollars. The entry indicated freight charges at $4,000 and insurance of $400. How much is the Jotable insurance if the rate of exchange is 50 pesos per $1? So, this is based on the Rule 5 of the Jotable insurance that states imo siyang what I did in this question is that akong compare ang entry insurance og ang insurance nga katong 0.02 ang pamagi. So, in order for me to get the FOB is CFR, which is 25,000 minus freight nga 4,000, I came up with an FOB of 21,000 times 0.02 because plastic covers are considered to be a general cargo. So that's why I get an insurance amounting $420,000. So my answer for this question is $420 because siya ang mas higher than sa entry insurance nga $400. Next question. Tons of rice arrived at the port of Manila with a total CIP value of $50,000. The representative submitted submitted the bill of lading indicating the freight charges of $4,000. On the other hand, after further perusal of the documents submitted, it was found that the freight charges and insurance were indicated in the invoice at $4,500 and $2,500 respectively. How much is digestible freight? So, my answer will be based on the rule 2 on the digestible freight nga akong gibuhat diri is akong gi-compare ang freight or ang bill of lading nga 4,000 versus the freight or the invoice nga 4,500. So again, the rule is whichever is higher sa duha. So ang akong answer for this question is freight or invoice equals $4,500 kay which is ever is higher. Next question. Minato imported suits with an FOB value of 25,000 which arrived at the subport of Dumaguete. How much is the digestible freight if the shipment have a gross weight of 2,500 kilograms subject to GCR rate of $0.55 per kilogram? So, in order for me to get the GCR freight, I will going to multiply the total gross weight in kilograms times GCR rate. So, this is based on the rule 4 on digestible freight. So, 2,500 kilograms times $0.55 per kilogram equals $1,375. So, this is my answer to this question. $1,375. Next question. Minato imported suits with an FOB value of 25,000. The insurance and freight charges is indicated in the entry are $400 and $1,000 respectively. How much is the digestible freight if the shipment has a gross weight of 2,500 kilograms subject to GCR rate of 0.55 kilograms? So, this is my answer, is based on the rule 5 on digestible freight. So, what I did is that I compare the freight entry into the GCR freight. So, in order for me to get the GCR freight, um, I multiplied the 2,500 kilograms times 0.55 kilograms times 0.70. So that's why I derive an answer of 962.50 dollars. So which is higher sa duha kay ang freight entry. So the digestible freight for this question is $1,000 based on the rule 5 on the digestible freight. So for this question, a shipment of 2 by 40 STS frozen tuna from Hong Kong arrived in Port of Cebu. Its CFR value, is $55,000. How much is the digestible freight if the insurance is $1,500 and the freight indicated in the bill of lading is 3,100 supported with a certification from the shipping line? So, this is based on the Rule 7 on digestible freight. So, if ever gali naanay ka ng certificate nga gi-provide ang shipping lines, mao na siya ang freight or bill of lading. Kay na may certificate nga gi-provide ang shipping lines based on the Rule 7 on digestible freight. For the next question, a shipment of 2 by 40 STC frozen tuna from Hong Kong arrived in Port of Cebu. Its CFR value is $55,000. How much is the dutiable freight if the insurance and the freight indicated in the bill is $3,100? So, this is based on the Rule 7 on the dutiable freight. So, no certificate from the shipping line. So, atong buhaton ani is i-compare na to ang freight or ang bill of lading sa reefer rate. So, ang given na freight or bill of lading is $3,100. So, ang Hong Kong reefer rate is nga 1 by 40 nga reefer van is equivalent to $1,600. So, 2 by 40 man siya. So, ako siyang gi-multiply og 2. So, I came up with an answer of $3,200. So, mas higher ang $3,200. So, that is why my answer is this $3,200 kay whichever is higher man based on the Rule 7. So for the next question, Sakura Flower Shop has an importation of 3 by 20 STC assorted plastic pots with a CFR value of $54,000, which arrived at the port of Zamboanga from from Guangzhou. Bill of lading indicated freight charges at $4,000. How much is the dutiable freight if the insurance is 1,000? So, this is based on the Rule 1 on the dutiable freight na if unsa ang given nga freight or ang indicated nga freight is mao na siya kung unsa ang nasa bill of lading. Mao na siya ang freight. So for the next question, National Food Authority imported rice sacks with FOB value of $20,000. How much is the dutiable freight if the local insurance premium is $30,500 while the freight in the bill of lading is $2,200? So this is based on the Rule 6 on the dutiable freight. So what I did is that I compare the freight or the bill of lading nga indicated na daan nga $2,200 versus sa CFR equals FOB plus freight. So, the FOB, in order for me to get the CFR rate, I add the FOB, which is the $20,000 plus $2,200 equals 22,200 times 0.10. So I came up with the CFR freight of 2,220. So whichever is higher Japon ang baseanan. So my answer for this is for this question will be 2,220 based on the Rule 6 on the suitable freight. So for the next question, Sinead Trading imported 20 cartons of medicine kits with FCA value of $30,000. Insurance and freight charges were indicated in the entry as follows: $600 and $895. Each carton weighs 5 kilograms and measures 0.3 m times 0.3 m times 0.3 m. How much is the dutiable freight if the IETA rate is $8.50 per kilogram? So, what I did is I compared the freight entry which is given and the IETA freight which is based on the Rule 5 for Rule 5 on the dutiable freight. So what I did is in order for me to get the actual weight, I multiply 20 cartons times 5 kilograms. So I get 100 kilograms. So, in order for me to get the volume weight, I multiply the 0.3 m times 0.5 m times 0.3 m and divide it to 0.006 times 20. So, this is equivalent to 150 kilograms. So, ang chargeable weight is the imong i-compare asay mas higher sa actual weight o volume weight, mao na siya ang chargeable weight. So, ang chargeable weight nako is 150 kilograms. So, ayeta freight equals 150 kilograms times 8.50 per kilo ay $8.50 per kilograms times 0.70. So, my ayeta freight is $892.50. So, whichever is higher to the 2 months. So, my answer is $895 kaya siya ang mas higher kaysa 892.50. So for this question, Konoha Trading imported headgears that arrived at NAIA with CIP value of $25,000. How much is the freight if the insurance of this FCA and the freight is 20,000, 20% of the FCA. So this is about the application of digitable insurance and freight. So what I did is that um, I divided the CIP, which is equivalent to $25,000, divided by 1.22, which means FOB as 1, insurance as 0.20, zero point 0.2, and freight, which is 0.20% of the FCA. So I came up with a FCA of $20,491.80 times 0.02 because again, he I mean sorry, headgears are considered to be a general cargo, so that is why it is 0.02. So I get an insurance of $409.84. So, ako sang ipakita dire kung giunsa sad pagkuha ang freight. So, ang FCA nga 20,491.80 times 0.20% kay 0.20% man ang freight sa FCA. So, ang akong freight kay $4,098.36. So, for the next question, and I guess it's the last question, Inno Trading imported plastic flower pots from China with CIF value of 18,000. How much is the insurance if the freight is of the FOB? So, this is all about, again, the application of the digitable insurance and freight. So, what I did is that CIF equals 18,000 times 1.12, FOB as 1, insurance as 0.2, and freight as 12% of the FOB. So I get an FOB of $16,071 times 0.02 equals insurance equals $3,321.43. So, gipakita sad nako diri ang unsaon pag-get sa freight. So, ang FOB equals $16,071 times 0.10 kay 10% man siya sa FOB ang freight. So, ang freight niya is 1,607.14. So, that's all. So, moto ako ang pamaagi or moto ang ako ang what do you call this? Moto ang ako ang moto giunsan ako pagkamap akong mga answer sa akong final examination for my subject TM 325C. Thank you for watching.